everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to find and turn on the clipboard on your Android phone. So we can just go to Google search right here for this example. And when we click on this and just open up the text box, we can find the clipboard right here in the middle. And you can see immediately, like, I have the option for the clipboard right there. So we can just type in some text and we can just hold down on it and then go to copy. It should say copy the clipboard, and we can just paste this in here. Now, when we don't have text in here, we can get rid of it. We should be able to see the toolbar. The clipboard is just right there. So we can go to the back arrow, and then we can press the clipboard, and just make sure you turn it on. So for example, on my Google Pixel phone right here, if I go to the clipboard option, I have this little dot that goes back and forth. I just have to turn it on, and then I can copy stuff to the clipboard. So let's go ahead and just paste this in here now. So I can hold down in here, and then I can go to the clipboard right here. You can see I have that option, clipboard, and it should open this up. It's already opened up. And then I go to paste, or I can press this stuff down here, this random stuff. So I can see it right there. Now if you don't see the clipboard, we can go back. So let's go back to the keyboard. We can go to the three little dots, and it might be hidden in here. So I believe we can go to the plus icon, and we can move things up and down under here. So if I press this, the clipboard is now hidden. It's not on there. So we want to go to the plus icon, get the clipboard up here, so it's actually displaying. So you should be able to find it under there. Otherwise, I think you might have to reset the toolbar if you can't find it. So here's the clipboard. I think we can just drag and drop it up there. Yep, we can. So if you don't have the toolbar, I'm on a Samsung phone, you can just go to settings. And this one's under general management. You might have to just type in keyboard on like your Google Pixel. So I believe this is going to be under the Samsung keyboard settings. And this will be toolbar. So turn on the toolbar right there. And the clipboard should be turned on now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.